Hello and welcome to Dark Age Growing. Today I'm going to take you back into an area in my yard that I really don't go to very often and show you something that I wasn't expecting to see. So my neighbors have a tree of heaven plant, and the seeds on those things will sprout up everywhere, especially places you don't want it, and they are really hard to get rid of. I chopped this one down yesterday, and I still need to kill the roots. I was walking down this really narrow space between my apartment, mother-in-law apartment, and a fence line, and I came upon a tomato plant. I was shocked. I didn't expect to find a little tomato plant growing in the shade. This spot does not get any sunlight, period. And it's got little cherry tomatoes on it. The best I can come up with is that it gets enough light reflecting off the house that it can survive down there, but this is a 6-foot tall privacy fence that is completely blocking the south side, and to the north side of it is the apartment. The sun is, well, it's noon right now, so it's as high as it's going to be in the sky, and this plant is still in the shade. So I can't explain it. It's pretty cool though. I will save some seeds out of this plant because it's drought tolerant and doesn't need very much light. Please subscribe and be looking forward to my next video where I will be dehydrating my yellow pear tomatoes.